So this is going to be part 4 of getting started with affiliate marketing for beginners and the last part of this series. So if you haven't watched my previous video and you're a beginner getting started with affiliate marketing, I highly recommend going back and checking those videos out because it covers the basics of what you need in order to get started. And don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to my channel if you're interested in learning different methods when it comes to making money online. Okay, so let me just get right into this video. So if you're serious about getting started with affiliate marketing and making money, it's important for you to pick a platform and create content. Now the reason why it's important to create content, now some people might just think like I'd rather pay money in advertisements to get faster results. And it is true, if you do have money to spend on advertising, you are going to get faster results. But when you pick a platform and you start creating content that's delivering value based on the niche that you're focusing on, that starts to generate free traffic. And there's nothing like free traffic. So on one hand, you can pay money on advertising and get faster results that way. And on the other hand, you can create content which is going to be free, and that's going to start to generate free traffic for you. Now, it will take you longer in order for you to start building up an audience if you're going to be picking a platform and creating content that's delivering value. But after a while, you're going to start to build up traction. And when you have a large following, or you don't even have to have a large following, all you have to have is a small group of dedicated followers, and that's just going to be like printing money. So let me go over to my computer to give you guys a few examples of what I'm talking about. Okay, real quick, I just want to recap the whole sales process of when people come to your landing page, they go through your bridge page and they eventually end up on your sales page. So like I mentioned in my previous videos, when people come to your landing page, they might enter in their email, and that's going to take them to the next page, which is the bridge page. And after that, they're going to go to the sales page. But more than likely, the people who come to your landing page, they're not going to make it to your bridge page or your sales page. So it's important to capture their email so that way you can market to them through a series of emails that's going to be delivering value. And in each one of your emails, you want to make sure that you're going to be giving them a call to action. Now, this is the same principle when it comes to picking a platform and creating content. You want to be delivering valuable content in the platform that you choose to go with, because this is going to increase your chances of making a sale. So you're probably wondering what platform you should go with. My personal recommendation is to go with whatever platform that you're comfortable with. Whether it's creating a blog, whether it's starting a YouTube channel, whether it's on Instagram or Facebook, whatever is more comfortable with you, just go for that one. And don't try to do everything at the same time, because you're going to just put in a whole lot of work and you're not going to see too much results from that. So let me just show you a couple of examples. So here I am on YouTube, and I just typed in the best camera for YouTube videos. And basically it's just going to show me a bunch of different videos, people who are just doing their own personal review about a specific type of camera that can be used for creating YouTube videos. So let me just click on the first one right here. This one is made by Think Media. This is a pretty well-known channel right here. And he has 1.13 million subscribers. So he basically goes over the best camera and equipment for YouTube in 2020. So let's just see what he's talking about right here. Let me just skip ahead. So he's actually demonstrating a certain type of camera, using it in a vlogging situation. And he's talking about the price points and comparing two cameras, it looks like. So if you were to go down, or let's go down right here to the description of his video, I'm pretty sure more than likely he has an affiliate link for each one of these cameras. So Canon EOS M6 Mark II. If we click on that, what do you know? That's going to be an Amazon link. So that's going to be his specific affiliate link. So if I were to purchase this product right here, he's going to earn a commission for that. Now, if I go back to this YouTube video and I click on this link for this other camera, it's going to be another affiliate link. So in this video, this guy, he's comparing two different cameras, talking about the pros and cons of each camera, and then has links if you want to purchase any of these cameras for yourself in the description of his video. So this is what I mean by delivering value and creating content. So he's just basically making a video, just doing an in-depth review, talking about two specific cameras, and that's delivering value for people who are interested in buying a camera specifically for starting a YouTube channel. And I'm pretty sure more than likely he's giving a call to action. So basically what that is just letting people know what you want them to do next. So all he has to do is just say, hey, if you want to buy any of these cameras for yourself, check out the links in the description of my video. And it's basically that simple. Now I'm pretty sure he has other affiliate links in the description of his videos as well. So he has a affiliate link for a Sony camera. He has an affiliate link for a Rode microphone. So this Rode microphone cost $179. I'm not sure what the commission percentage is that he's going to be getting, but I mean, it can't be too bad. So let's go back right here to see what else he's promoting. So he has a few different links for videos that he has. And he also has his own merchandise. So this isn't going to be considered affiliate marketing. This is going to be using a print on demand service. So this is basically just another way that you can monetize your YouTube channel. Besides just getting money from AdSense, having affiliate links, this is just having your own products or merchandise. But I'm getting a little off topic, so let me just go to another website. So I mentioned earlier starting a blog. So this is a blog website created by this guy Nathan Lucas, and he has a YouTube channel called Freedom Influencer, and he always redirects people to his affiliate links or his blog. So basically he teaches people how to make money online, how to start their own online business. So if you click let's get started, get my affiliate marketing ebook for free. So he has an ebook that basically teaches you how to start making money using affiliate marketing. So 8 simple steps to affiliate marketing riches. Now, in order for you to get access to his ebook, you're going to have to enter in your email. So that's basically what I mentioned earlier. So this is ultimately a landing page where you enter in your email, you're going to be redirected to a bridge page, and then you're going to be redirected to a sales page. Now, if I enter my email and I go through that whole process and I don't purchase anything, I'm going to receive follow-up emails from him. But let me just go back. Now he has another button right here that says check out the free marketing guide. So if I click on that, it's just different blog posts. So what is the best alternative to ClickFunnels? How to make money in the fitness industry through affiliate marketing, what to sell on Amazon. So if I were to click on any of these blog articles, let me click on this one, for example. So this one is how to make money with Legendary Marketer, a helpful review. So this is basically an affiliate program, but it's also a learning platform that teaches you how to start and grow your own online business. So he basically explains what Legendary Marketer is, if it's right for you, the pricing and products, and the different, coaching tools that they have available on their platform. Now, I'm pretty sure if I look around on his blog article, I'm going to see a few affiliate links. So basically, I'm going to find a couple of links that's going to be paid offers. So let me just go back to the top, and right here, let me click on resources. So he has his own resource page right here. If I scroll down, the first one is going to be Legendary Marketer, the one I just talked about. And this is an awesome platform, by the way. So it's going to take me to their sales page. So if I were to click get started and I buy whatever product that it is that they're selling right here, he's going to get credit for the sale. So let me just go back and see what other resources he has available. So My Lead System Pro. I've heard about this system right here. And this basically takes me to a landing page. So if I want to get access, I have to enter in my email. So he's going to get credit for that sale again because he has his own affiliate links that's going to be hyperlinked to these buttons right here. Email autoresponder. This is one that I talked about, GetResponse, and this is also an affiliate link for him. So if I were to get started with GetResponse, he's going to get commission for that sale. So let me see what else he has. It looks like that's what he has. He has a few different ones. I thought I saw ClickFunnels. Yeah, there we go. ClickFunnels. Try ClickFunnels here for 14 days. So I clicked on that link, and that's going to be also under his affiliate link. So if I were to sign up with ClickFunnels for the 14-day free trial, and after that I got a monthly subscription, he's going to earn a monthly commission from my membership. And that's basically it. So basically he's doing the same thing that I just mentioned. He's creating content, he's delivering value, and he's also giving a call to action. So if you're going to be going with affiliate marketing, this is something that you need to do if you want to grow and scale your business to profitability. You can't just start out just spamming your affiliate link everywhere that you see and hoping somebody clicks on your link and buys whatever product that you're promoting. Because if you're serious about affiliate marketing and you're in it for the long run, you're going to have to put in a lot of work. Whether it's creating your own blog website, starting up your YouTube channel, building a following on Instagram or Facebook, even on TikTok. You're going to have to put in the work to get the results that you want to see. Now, I don't know if I mentioned this before, but affiliate marketing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's not going to make you $1 million overnight. This is something that's going to take a long time to build up, but it is going to be worth it if you stick with it. Now, one more thing that I wanted to mention before I head out is if you're serious about getting started with affiliate marketing, but you have no idea where to get started,
I highly recommend checking out the 15-day business builder challenge, and this is from this platform, Legendary Marketer, that I just mentioned. It's an awesome platform that teaches people how to start and grow a high ticket, high profit business online. So basically, you're going to be given 15 days of training. You're going to be given access to a business plan advisor, and they're going to basically teach you what you need to know in order to start your own online business. Now, I just want to let you guys know this isn't free. It does cost $7, but I mean, if you think about it, $7 to learn how to start an online business is basically nothing. So if you're interested in that, I'm going to have it in the link in the top of the description below. And that's basically it.
Well, that's basically it for this series of getting started with affiliate marketing for beginners. I hope you guys enjoyed these past few videos. And if you have any questions regarding this video or the videos that I've done in the past on affiliate marketing, just feel free to leave them in the comments below and I'll make sure that I answer them. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one.